If your lawn has weeds right now, this is for you. But if you think one treatment's gonna fix everything, you're gonna be really disappointed. That's not how grass works. And if your lawn is mostly shade, dirt, and it's a total disaster, then a treatment program is not for you. You need renovation. But if you actually want a good lawn, we're running a 6-in-1 application, all mixed into one treatment. Weed killer, pre-emergent, fertilizer, flea and tick, fire ants, and liquid aeration. Will it kill your weeds? Yes. Will it take more than one application to do it? Also yes. This is a program, not a quick fix. And no, we don't treat your St. Augustine like Bermuda. $99 for lawns 3,000 square feet or under. If your lawn's bigger than 3,000 square feet, it's still 75% off. If you're sodding your lawn, that's $8,000 to $12,000 easy. Or you could just take care of what you got. If you're serious, send me a couple pictures of your lawn. I'll tell you straight away if it fits our program. If it does, we'll start knocking those weeds out right away. If it doesn't, I'll tell you that too. I won't take your money if it's a lawn we can't fix.